In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add accounts to your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create new accounts so your reports stay accurate and easy to read. Start by opening your chart of accounts. You can get there two ways. Click the Settings gear icon and choose Chart of Accounts, or click Accounting in the left menu and then Chart of Accounts. Either path lands you on the full list of accounts your company uses to organize transactions. Next, click the New button in the top right. This opens the Account Setup window where you'll fill in a few key fields. Begin with the name. Pick something clear and consistent, like office supplies or online sales. Good naming makes it easy for you and your team to choose the right account later and keeps reports understandable. Now choose the account type. This is important because it tells QuickBooks where the account belongs on your financial statements. Income and cost of goods sold on the profit and loss, and assets, liabilities, and equity on the balance sheet. Pick the type that reflects how this account behaves. Changing the type later can affect your reporting, so take a moment to get it right. After that, choose a detail type. This adds specificity within the broader account type. Select the option that best matches the real-world purpose of the account. The descriptions next to each detail can help you decide. Choose the closest fit, so reporting and categorization stay consistent. If this new account should roll up under an existing one, check. Make this a sub-account and select the parent account. Sub-accounts are great for tracking detail without cluttering your top-level reports. For example, utilities could have sub-accounts for gas, electric, and internet, all summarized under utilities. If you're adding a bank, credit card, or liability account, enter an opening balance and an as-of date. Use the statement ending balance from the date you want QuickBooks to start tracking. If you plan to connect a bank feed or if your books already include historical entries, consider leaving the opening balance at 0 to avoid duplicates and let reconciliation handle the rest. You can add a description if you want extra context, like how the account should be used or examples of typical transactions. This can be especially helpful for teams. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new account appears in the chart of accounts and is ready to use on transactions and reports. That's it. Simple, accurate, and organized.